In round 16, start with a chain stitch and then work 6 decreases, back loops only. Finally, end with a slip stitch. Work a chain stitch first. Then work 6 decreases through back loops only. Please finish the rest 3 decreases through back loops only by yourself. Finally, work a slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 16 is done. In round 17, work a chain stitch, 6 single crochets, and a slip stitch. Work a chain stitch first. Then work a single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 6 single crochets. Finally, work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail. Thread the needle with the yarn tail. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric. Finally, cut off excess end. The main body of the pack choi is completed. The big leaves. We'll use dark green yarn. We'll crochet into the front loops only of round 14 of the main body. Insert hook into the front loop of the slip stitch of round 14. Dark green yarn over the hook. And pull through the loop on the hook. Work a chain stitch and a single crochet. Work a chain stitch first. Then work a single crochet in the same stitch. Mark the first stitch. Then work 5 single crochets. Put the yarn tail above the hook during crocheting. 5 single crochets are done. Cut off excess end. In rounds 2 to 4, turn the fabric and then work a chain stitch and 6 single crochets for each round. Turn the fabric. Work a chain stitch first. Then work 6 single crochets. Round 2 is done. Please finish rounds 3 to 4 in the same way as round 2 by yourself. Turn the fabric, work a chain stitch and 6 single crochets for each round. Round 4 is done. In round 5, turn the fabric, then work a chain stitch, an increase, 4 single crochets, and an increase in turn. Turn the fabric. Work a chain stitch first. Next, work an increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 4 single crochets. Next, work an increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Thread the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Thread the needle with the yarn tail. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric, and finally cut off excess end. One big leaf is completed. Please crochet 3 more big leaves in the same way by yourself. 4 big leaves are completed. The small leaves will crochet into the front loops only of round 15 of the main body. We'll use dark green yarn. Yarn over the hook and pull through the loop on the hook. Work a chain stitch first. Then work a single crochet in the same stitch. Mark the first stitch. Then work 5 single crochets. Put the yarn tail above the hook during crocheting. Cut off excess end. In rounds 2 to 4, turn the fabric, work a chain stitch and 6 single crochets for each round. Turn the fabric. Work a chain stitch first. Then work 6 single crochets. Round 2 is done. Please finish rounds 3 to 4 by yourself. Turn. Work a chain stitch and 6 single crochets for each round. Round 4 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leave a long yarn tail for sewing. Thread the needle with the yarn tail. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric, and finally cut off excess end. Please crochet the other small leaf in the same way by yourself. Two small leaves are completed. Let's embroider the mouth. We'll use 2 strands of black yarn to embroider a V-shaped mouth between the eyes on rounds 8 to 9 of the pak choi. The mouth is completed. Cut off excess end. The pak choi is completed. The vegetable potted plants are completed. Put the vegetables into the flower pots.